Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to pay installment in Shopee using your credit card. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So the first step is, of course, let's open Shopee. Once you open Shopee, you want to click in the bottom right Me option. Once you're there, click on the settings icon at the top. Once you're in your account settings, you're going to see bank accounts and cards. You're going to click that. Once you click bank accounts and cards, there's going to be an option here, and you want to select the option credit or debit card. You're going to have to press add new card, and in this part, you're just going to have to fill in your information. Once you've filled it in, press submit and do the confirmation. And after that, you're going to have to go to your shopping cart and select the item you want to check out. You might want to scroll down until you can see payment options. Once you see payment options, click that. After clicking that, you're going to have lots of choices here. And you want to select the credit or debit card. If you filled it in, your credit card debit card should be here, and installment options are going to be available. And there you go. You have successfully paid installment in Shopee using your credit card. So, that's basically how you can pay installment in Shopee using your credit card. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.